I edited over 100 YouTube videos and have over 200 million views on YouTube. For the last 3 years, I've been working as a professional video editor, working with tons of clients such as these guys. In fact, before I started video editing, I used to live in a crack house because no one would ever hire me for a job. Well, I mean, I had a job once, but then I got fired and then I was homeless for a bit. Well, anyway, in this video, I'm going to tell you the most important things I've learned from editing over 100 videos and help you become a Chad editor just like me. Oh, it's getting a bit hot in here, man. You know what? For this video, I'm going to be fucking shirtless because why not? Fuck it. Volume beats perfection. Here's a quote. Your work works on you more than you work on it. Just edit. Edit every day, even if it sucks. You need to realize that your editing skills is a muscle that you need to develop over time.
Was that true? Whoa, you go, big guy.
Doesn't matter how many videos you watch about how to edit on YouTube or how much you overthink about editing. You cannot force your way to good editing skills. You will get better at editing as you edit more. It is the only way. Think of it like getting stronger on bench press. You cannot go from an empty bar to 100 kg bench press no matter how hard you try, no matter what you do. The way you get to 100 kg bench press is to do the 95 kg bench press, and to get to 95 gotta do 90, right? It's a progression.
The way you get good at anything is you take action, boom, you get some feedback, then you make improvements, then you get better. So it's not about having talent, it's not about being gifted, it's not about being lucky, getting enough hours so that you're good enough to start to enjoy it, and then you put in even more hours, you get a positive feedback loop.
And that's why, for example, if you buy any of my courses, I give you practice footage to edit. The more you edit, the better you'll get faster. So just edit and edit every day. If you want to get better faster, check out my courses, edit the stuff I'll give you, and you'll be way ahead of the game. Match the style to the person. YouTubers make it seem like the people who get the most views have the best editing. So they make videos teaching you how to edit like Mr. Beast or some shit. But the truth is that most people who watch those fucking videos are kids. Like, do you think a guy my age is watching I filled my car with Orbeez videos? Like, fuck off. What the fuck, right? I'm not watching that shit. So the truth is that the most watched YouTubers audience is mostly kids and babies, which is cool, no problem, but you cannot apply like Mr. Beast type editing to real estate videos or like talking head fitness videos. It will not connect with the audience. For example, I used to work for Damo and his audience expects really artsy high quality videos. Or for example, James Smith Business on YouTube. He only has like cuts here and there mostly. He doesn't need fucking explosions or MLG edits or retention editing because that's not what his audience wants. So as a good editor, it's your job to ask who the audience is. Imagine if my videos were edited like some online alpha male, like, it wouldn't fit me, right? So just match your editing to the person. All the answers are on YouTube. Sometimes people will ask me like simple editing questions on YouTube. The thing is, bro, everything you want to know is already on YouTube. If you want to make a spotlight effect, you can learn that on YouTube. You want to learn how to green screen, how to make a wave effect, how to make a glowing outline, how to do motion tracking. It's all on YouTube. So if during an edit you have a cool idea for an effect and just don't know how to do it, search it on YouTube, man. You might be curious, why do you make videos on editing if everything's already there, and why do you sell courses? It's because courses teach you exactly what you need to know for the outcome that you want. Courses are the fastest way to improve your overall video editing skills, but videos on YouTube is just the best way to just improve the small cracks you might have in your video editing boat. I remember like 3 years ago, I took a short form content course. It cost me $27. With that information in the course, I got a job to make shorts for a client, and I was making like $2,800 per month with that, which is like pretty cool. Like I paid $27, made like $2,800 in a month. Like the ROI on actually buying courses is insane. Trust me when I say this, investing in your editing skills will pay off 10x, 100x. With that being said, I recommend you to go to my Gumroad right now, find a course that you would like to take. I have multiple ones. I recommend the short form one and the $1,000 one, and buy it and do everything that I say, and you're gonna see like your editing skills or your income literally fucking skyrocket over time if you do everything that I say. But yeah, thanks for watching. Go to my Gumroad. See you in the next video.